Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add comment in the Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give a like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, firstly select the cell where you want to add comment. So after selecting the cells, click the right side of mouse and here you can see the options of new comment. So click on it and then you can write your comment. So you can write anything according to you. So after writing the comment, click on these options. So after that, here you can write a reply. So after that, again click on it after writing. So if you want to change the comment, so just click on it and here you can see pin icon. So just click on it. So when you will click on it, so you can see you can edit your comment. So after editing, click on two options. So you can see the comment is edit. So if you want to delete your comment, so you can see the options of three dot. So just click on it and here you can see the options of delete thread. So when you will click on it, so your comment will be deleted. So you can see the comment is deleted. So guys, you can also add your comment. Here you can see the options of review. So when you will click on it, you can also see the options of new comment. So when you will click on it and here you can add your comment according to the previous method. So after that, again click on it and here you can write reply. So here you can edit and here you can delete. So guys, in this way you can add any comment in the cells. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.